Astronomy is a field of science studied about the things found in our universe, especially the celestial bodies, heavenly bodies, and more. Also, the planets we already know such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are heavenly bodies to which belongs in our solar system, which is part of astronomy. This is our solar system, as a common planetary system to the people where the sun is the center of it. But did you know that before, people believes that the Earth is the center of the solar system? And who are the people made their geocentric model? In this video we will discuss the definition and different models of theories of heliocentric and geocentric and their history. Heliocentric and geocentric are both representation and theory of our solar system, about what is in the center of it. Heliocentric is a theory about the solar system, that the sun is the center of it, and the planets revolve around it. This is the proven one and most of us believes on this and as a viewer of this video. Anyways, why heliocentric or heliocentrism called for this statement? This came from the two Greek words helios and centrikos. Helios means sun, and centrikos means all about the center. It defines that sun pertains as the center of our solar system. Geocentric is also a theory of our solar system, that the Earth is the orbit, where all of the planets except Earth, our moon, and the sun revolves around it. Geocentric or geocentrism comes up with the two Greek words geo, means the earth, and centrikos, means center. Now let's go back on the question, why the people before believes about geocentric theory? And who are the people who created and proposed their geocentric model? Let's go back to the ancient times of Greek civilization. This is from the Greek civilization during 6th century BCE. Anaximander is the known first philosopher according to the documents still available for now. Few of his works are known today, especially the geocentric model. He proposed a geocentric model, where the moon, sun, and planets wherein an invisible wheel surrounds the earth, like a shape of a part of a pillar. During 4th century BCE, in Greek civilization, Aristotle, and his teacher, Plato, studied about the geocentric model where the Earth, as a sphere is steadily located on the center of the universe, where it carries the planets and stars with an order arranged from inner to outer part, from the Moon, Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and to the fixed stars. Fixed stars are located on the celestial sphere. This is celestial sphere, where it is a giant sphere, but imaginary, where it was used in geocentric models as the Earth is the center of it and Earth's pole was aligned on it. It was written in the myth of Ver, part of the authored work Republic. Republic is a best work by Plato, and it is a Socratic dialogue concerning about justice, philosophy and political theory. Plato made this geocentric model mythically, based on the myth of Earth. This myth mentioned the spindle of necessity, where the spindle describes as cosmos, where sirens attended, and the fates, where their duty is to keep the celestial bodies revolve, represented by a spindle. Sirens are dangerous creatures known, while the fates are the three daughters of the goddess of necessity. That was the beliefs of Plato when he made his geocentric model as more mythically made model. Another Greek astronomer and mathematician named Eudoxus, student of Plato and Archytas. He worked with Plato about their geocentric model where they developed it more mathematically but less mythical. Where Aristotle elaborated on Eudoxus' system until he created the Aristotelian system. During the development of Aristotelian system, Earth is not just center of the solar system, but also considered as the center of the universe, and heavenly bodies were attached to the model, as a rotating spheres around the Earth. Aristotle believes about moon as the innermost sphere, where it touches the realm of the Earth. Realms of the Earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and the atmosphere. there are many things, was developed on Aristotelian system as a geocentric model. After Greek civilization, Hellenistic period occurs, where another person who will study and will make a geocentric model, named Claudius Ptolemaeus or known as Ptolemy. Ptolemy is a Hellenistic astronomer, who finally standardized geocentrism, during 2nd century AD. The main astronomical work of Ptolemy named Almagest, were the final results of Babylonian and Hellenistic astronomers found. Almagest is a 2nd century astronomical and mathematical, in Greek language, written by Ptolemy circa 100 to 170 AD, where it discusses about the apparent motion of the stars, and planetary paths. Back again to Ptolemy's model known as Ptolemaic system, where it was started by assuming Earth as the center of the universe while the other planets, Sun, and the Moon surrounds on it. According to Ptolemy's model, they just not simply revolves around the Earth, they apply epicycles. Epicycle is a small circle path of the heavenly bodies which surrounds the Earth, where the circle path revolves around the Earth. Also, the arrangement of the heavenly bodies, from innermost to outermost is Moon, Mercury, Venus, Sun, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, fixed stars, and the primum mobile. Primum mobile is the outermost sphere moving in a geocentric model. In summary, Anaximander, Plato, and Aristotle, and also Eudoxus and Ptolemy invented their own model of solar system, which they based from their observations, and believes that our world, the Earth, as a sphere located on the center of the solar system, or even the universe. On that time, many ancient astronomers and people supports about geocentric and supports on its model of those known astronomers, especially Ptolemy's model, as it become more popular on his geocentric model. But who are the astronomers who supports on this? How people especially in medieval period believes on this? But how we now believed on heliocentric system today in the present? And did you know it become hard to the heliocentric astronomers to propose to the public their heliocentric model, and why? Are the exact terms heliocentric and geocentric exist during the inventions of different models of the solar system? It will be discussed in the second and third part of this video, so stay tuned. Did you understand the video? So, let's answer 5 questions from the quiz of this video. Number 1. Anaximander is a first known philosopher and one of his works is a geocentric model. What does his geocentric model describe with? A. Part of an ancient tower. B. Part of a trident. C. Part of a pillar. D. Part of an ancient wheels. Number 2. There are many ancient astronomers who made their geocentric model. Who is that ancient astronomer who finalized the geocentric model? A. Anaximander. B. Aristotle. C. Plato. D. Ptolemy. Number 3. Some of the ancient astronomers gave their own model of geocentric model. Who was that astronomer who believed that the fates has duty to keep the spindle revolves represented by the celestial bodies? A. Anaximander. B. Aristotle. C. Plato. D. Ptolemy. Number 4. Models of solar system should have an arrangement of celestial bodies from innermost to outermost to become understandable. Which ancient astronomer gives an arrangement of his geocentric model from innermost to outermost of Moon, Mercury, Venus, Sun, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, fixed stars, and to the primum mobile? A. Plato. B. Ptolemy. C. Anaximander. D. Aristotle. Number 5. Each ancient astronomers have beliefs in the model of solar system. What is the belief of Aristotle said in the video? A. Earth is the center of the multiverse. B. Earth is just only the center of the solar system. C. Moon wasn't attached in his model. D. Moon touches the realms of the Earth. Do you want to know your score? Why not compare your answers to the answer key in the description below? And why not share your score in the comment section below?